Welcome! Jumping into 25 questions on the Virginia real estate exam. Number 1. Actions the Virginia Real Estate Board would not engage in include A. Dispute on broker commissions, B. Dispute on solicitation of listing agreement, C. Complaints against licensee, or D. Licensing laws and renewals. You guessed it. B. Dispute on solicitation of listing agreement. Number 2. Broker indicated the school district boundary on a listing. However, the school district changed after the listing. Broker mentioned to remove the school district, but the agent did not change. After finding out the new school district, the potential buyer wants out and is pressing charges. Who is liable? Is it A, the sales broker? B, the listing broker is liable? C, both sales and listing broker are liable? Or D, the buyer is responsible to search this information themselves? Drum roll. B, the buyer is responsible to search this information themselves. The next one, when a transaction is not consummated, the principal or supervising broker has the option of holding an earnest money deposit in the escrow account until A, all principals to the transaction have agreed to their disposition in writing, B, a court orders the disbursement of the funds, or C, the funds are successfully interpleaded, or D, is it all of the above? Just think about it. D, all of the above. Okay, the Virginia Real Estate Board requires that licensees report the following convictions except: is it A, a misdemeanor involving drugs, a DUI, a petty misdemeanor, or any felony? Remember, this is except. You do not have to report the following convictions. C, a petty misdemeanor. A listing contract is required to be delivered within 3 days, within 5 days, within 5 business days, or promptly or as soon as possible. So we actually couldn't find an answer to this question here. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Next question. In addition to the resale certificate, the homeowners association must provide the association disclosure packet with the following to potential buyers prior to closing, except: is it A, bylaws and articles of incorporation? Is it B, financial statements? C, a list of all homeowner association numbers and addresses, or D, a copy of the current declaration? Let's think about it. C, a list of all homeowner association numbers and addresses. Next question. As soon as substantive discussions, a licensee must disclose the firm brokerage relationship and defects to potential client via A, oral disclosure, B, written disclosure, C, both oral and written disclosure, or D, all the above. Written disclosure. Next question. Which person would not need a real estate license? Today, an owner who sells no more than 3 of her own houses in a year. B, a salaried property manager. C, an attorney who's offering property for sale on a court order. Or D, all of the above. D, all of the above. Next question. A licensee presents the seller a full price offer to purchase, subject to a home inspection. The selling agent orders the inspection from a friend who pays the agent a fee for the referral. Such action would be considered a violation unless: is it A, the fee is disclosed orally to the seller? B, the fee is disclosed in writing to all parties. C, the fee is under 150, or D, all of the above. Think about it. B, the fee is disclosed in writing to all parties. Next question. All written offers and counteroffers must be submitted by the licensee within what amount of time of receipt? Is it A, within 3 days, within 5 days, within 5 business days, or in a timely manner? Offers and counteroffers. And you guessed it, in a timely manner. Okay. Oh, this question. Condo recently sold for 60,000 after being listed for 80,000. The agent listed with the advertisement 4 two-story condo townhouses starting at 60,000. This is an example of, is it A, legal advertising, B, legal although misleading, C, illegal bait and switch, or D, all of the above? Okay, we're pretty sure it's C, that this is illegal bait and switch. Next question. Which of the following are required to be disclosed to potential buyers? Is it A, disclosing a shopping center planned within 2 years, a roof defect that was fixed, C, an unclean meth drug development from previous tenants, or D, all of the above? It is C, an unclean meth drug development. I don't know who's still cooking up meth these days, but yes, that is required to be disclosed. And a reminder, any information regarding the last tenant or incidents which do not physically affect the property are not required to be disclosed. Next question. An earnest money deposit must occur within X amount of days following the ratification unless otherwise agreed to in writing by the parties. Is it A, 3 days, B, 3 business banking days, C, 5 days, or D, 5 business banking days? That is correct. 5 business banking days. 5 business banking days. Okay. FHA loans require that borrowers provide protection to the lender in case of loan default. What must the borrower pay for to provide the protection to the lender? Is it A, credit life insurance, B, homeowners insurance, C, private mortgage insurance, or D, title insurance? Just think about it. It is C, private mortgage insurance, PMI. Next question. Licensee Wanda meets prospective homebuyer Shalise on Monday, and they discuss the kind of condo Shalise is looking for. And later on Wednesday, she shows Shalise 5 properties. When should Wanda have entered into an agency relationship? Is it A, B, C, or D? Correct. Before Wanda shows Shalise any properties. Next question. Which of the following statements must be true about a real estate salesperson's license? Is it A, it is mailed to the licensee for delivery to the employing broker, or B, prominently displayed in the main office of the salesperson's firm, C, prominently displayed in the branch office where the salesperson works, or D, in the custody of the employing broker? It's correct. It's kept in the custody of the employing broker. Okay. If no disclosure under the Virginia Properties Owners Association (POA) Act, Buyers have a right to cancel a purchase contract. Is it A, anytime prior to settlement if no disclosure? B, anytime after settlement? C, within 3 business banking days? Or D, none of the above? The buyer's canceling a purchase contract. Correct. Anytime prior to settlement if there's no disclosure of a material defect. Yes. Okay, next question. A brokerage relationship typically has a definite expiration date. If there's none, the relationship expires after A, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, or 180 days. C, 90 days. Brokerage relationship expires after 90 days. Okay, next question. An expired license can be renewed within 30 days if A, the board overrules the expiration. Is it B, the licensee pays the normal renewal fee and completes continuing education? C, the licensee pays $100, or D, all of the above? B, the licensee pays the normal renewal fee and completes continuing education. Also, the hint, I think it's usually the longer answer. Yes. Okay, next question. In the state of Virginia, no landlord may demand to receive a security deposit in excess of 1 month's rent, 2 months' rent, 3 months' rent, or there's no limit. Correct. 2 months' rent. Okay, next question. A license expired for X blank cannot be renewed. So is it 30 days, 180 days, 12 months, or 2 years? Think about it. 12 months. The applicant will have to retake the exam. Okay, next question. A disclosure statement is not required for A, sales between co-owners, B, a specific bankruptcy, C, foreclosure sales, or D, all of the above. That is correct. D, all of the above. Okay, real estate agency is ultimately responsible for maintaining all records for a minimum of following the closing, or minimum of X amount of years following the closing. Is it A, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, or 5 years? Correct. Records must be kept for 3 years. Okay, next question. When a salesperson transfers from one broker to another, it is salesperson's responsibility to A, pay license reinstatement fee, B, return his or her license to the board, C, apply for inactive status till the new broker has business cards printed, or D, none of the above. Drum roll. None of the above. Okay, next question. A licensee presents a seller a full price offer to purchase, subject to a home inspection. The selling agent orders the inspection from a friend who pays the agent a fee for the referral. Such an action would be considered a violation unless A, the fee does not need to be disclosed. B, the fee is disclosed in writing to all the parties. C, the fee is disclosed either in writing or orally. Or D, none of the above. B, the fee is disclosed in writing to all parties. All right. Thanks for tuning in there. Wishing you, thanks for tuning in. Wishing you the very best on this next attempt. You're gonna pass the next attempt. Uh, I'm confident you'll pass the next attempt, the next test, the next exam, and see you next time. All right. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this was helpful, plugged some knowledge gaps, and just believe in yourself because you're gonna pass this next exam. And I will catch you guys next time.